नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ जेविन डॉक्टर मोनिका त्रिवेदी। आई एम फ्रॉम डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मैथमेटोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. Today's topic is reaction rate laws. Each reaction has its own equation that expresses its rate as a function of the concentrations of involved species, for example, reactants, product, catalyst. And this is called as a rate law. The rate law, in a general, rate of reaction increases as the concentration increases, since there are more collision occurs between the reactants. Okay? The overall concentration depend of the reaction rate is given in a rate law or a rate expression. For a simple equation, the rate law is V is equals to K, A power M, B power N, where B and A is reactant concentrations, M and N are a power, or K is a rate constant, and the overall reaction order is the sum of reactant orders, which is M plus N. The rate laws, the rate constant and the order of the reaction are determined experimentally. Okay? The order of reactant is not generally related to its stoichiometric coefficient in the balanced chemical equation. Here you can see the equation when F2 in gaseous state plus twice mole of ClO2 in gaseous states converts into give a product twice mole of FeClO2 in a gas phase. So for this kind of equation, the rate law is V is equals to K, concentration of F2 and concentration of ClO2. Okay, the power is 1. So simple, the complex of formation, the complex formation here you can see the simple rate law for H2 plus I2 is converts into 2I2. So the rate of reaction depends on the concentration of reactant, which is V is equals to K, concentration of H2 and concentration of I2. Okay. Now the concentration of complex rate law. Here you can see that the H2 plus Br2 is converted to 2HBr. So the concentration for complex is V is equals to H2 concentration of H2 concentration of Br2 power 1 by 2. Okay, and 1 plus K dash HBr by Br2, the concentration of product. Okay, so this reaction can be done by the multiple step reaction. However, the all over rate of reaction cannot involve the intermediate species. Okay, here you can see that Br2 converts into Br plus Br. This Br further react with the H2 molecule and give H plus, and HBr, the H plus react with the Br2 and give Br and HBr. Finally the Br moles come across and give the Br2. So in an elementary reaction, okay, like a unimolecular reaction and a bimolecular reaction. For unimolecular reaction, A converts into B. So the rate of reaction is equals to V is equals to K, concentration of A. In a bimolecular reaction, like A plus B is converts into product P, and A converts into product P. So the rate of reaction for A plus B is equals gives P is V is equals to K, concentration of A, concentration of P, and for second reaction the concentration the rate of reaction is equals to Ka square. So the reactant order reflects the molecularity, okay, the moles involved in a reaction. So the next is example of reaction rate law. So here you can consider the following reaction. In this reaction, NH4 plus aqueous plus NO2 minus give N2 gas plus twice mole of H2 liquid. Okay, here you can see that the NH4 plus doubles the rate of doubles the NO2 constant. As the NO2 doubles, the rate doubles with the NH4 plus constant. The rate of this reaction would be expressed as that is equals to K concentration of NH4 plus concentration of NO2 negative. The reaction is said to be first order with respect to NH4 plus and first order with respect to NO2 negative. But the overall order of the reaction is said to be second order reaction. For example, here you can see the example of NH4 plus aqueous and NO2 negative, which will give the NO2 gas plus twice mole of H2O liquid. Okay, when NH4 concentration doubles, the initial rate doubles, and likewise, if we compare them, when the NO2 doubles, the initial rate double. So, if the rate of reaction is proportional to concentration of NH4, the rate of reaction is proportional to NO2, and so where the rate of reaction is proportional to concentration of NH4 plus and NO2 negative, and the overall rate is equals to K. Rate is equals to K concentration of NH4 plus NO and concentration of NO2 negative. This equation is called the rate law, and the K is here the rate constant. Now the rate law, the order of the reaction with respect to each reactant is like the first order for as respect to NH4 and the first order for NO2 negative, but the overall rate of reaction the overall reaction order can be found by the addition of the order of reaction, like rate of reaction is equals to K is equals to NH4 plus 1 and NO2 negative 1. So the overall rate of reaction is 1 plus 1 2. Okay, so for example, in a integral rate of reaction, here you can see the rate, the order of the reaction, and the differential form and integer form. Okay, the first reaction is unimolecular, and A converts into P. It is a zero order of reaction because the order depend on the order of the reaction does not depend on the concentration. So the differential form is for the zero order reaction is dA by dt is equals to minus K, and the integer for this reaction is A concentration A is equals to concentration A naught minus KT. The second reaction is A converts into P. It is a first order reaction, and it depends upon the concentration of reactant, which is A. So the differential form for this is dA concentration by dt is equals to minus K concentration of A. The integer form is for this order of reaction is ln concentration A is equals to ln concentration A naught minus KT. The third one is second order reaction. For this, A plus A is converts into product P. The differential form for this order of reaction is 1 by 2 dA concentration by dt is equals to minus K concentration of A square, and the integral form is 1 by A concentration is equals to 1 by A concentration naught plus 2 KT. The last one is bimolecular. A plus B is converted into P, and it will give the second order reaction, and the differential form for this is dA by dt is equals to minus K A concentration of A and B, and the integer form for this is Kt is equals to 1 by concentration of B naught minus concentration of A naught ln concentration of B naught concentration of A by concentration of A naught concentration of B. So this is the integrated rate laws or integrated rate equation for zero order, first order, second order and second order reactions. Thank you very much.